YouTubers, this is KenjiLaw9, and I'm doing an unboxing of Beyblade Metal Masters, the video game for DS. More than 30 characters from the TV show. Turn to the back. Okay, so basically, I'm gonna start opening this, so I'm gonna have to put this down for a second. Be doing this quick. Okay, I'm done unboxing. Now I just only have to open it. I hate. I'll put this down. So there it is. There's also all those crappy stuff. Yeah, just get the video games out. Yeah, like that. Okay, thank you for watching. I'll do the gameplay.